Hello everyone. I know online courses are a big deal these days, and everyone is going all about them. But then, certificates is one of the things I feel is very important to advertise your online course, right? Especially when you have some students, get them to post the certificates online and refer you so getting your certificates to look attractive and quality, you need to take make sure that all these parts are involved. Now, all most of these parts are optional, but towards the end of the video, I'll show you some of the parts that I feel are very important, absolutely necessary. Now, the image is very optional, but I feel it will attract people to look at the certificate and then consider your course. So one of the most important things is the verification link, right? So I'll share a video later on how I created a server using a cloud storage system to make it possible for my students and potential employers to verify the certificates of my students online. So I feel that the verification link or whatever it is you use is very, very important. Also, all these other parts like the signature, and then definitely your branding to maintain consistency. So I'm not really going to say much in this video. I just watch very carefully so that you can see all the different parts and try to do it in your own way, but then just do all include all these parts so that your certificate will look very, very professional. Thank you.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. We all know that digital products are selling like hotcakes now. From business cards to wedding cards and stickers, there's no limits to how much one can make selling digital templates. Did you know? You can get all our templates for $1 or 925 Nigerian naira. Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.